Morning, guys. So today's the last day. Last working day. Um, my weight is down to 79.8, which is, I told you for the past few days that I was expecting something like this. Tomorrow is gonna be less, I think, the way things been going, especially for this week, right? Like it's been almost every single day, it's been like going constantly down, like pretty much, except for like 2 days, I think. So I expect the same thing happening tomorrow. Today's a pull day, so Jackie actually messaged me yesterday. He texted me, and most likely he's gonna be showing up, but we'll see. And yeah, I'm just not doing anything special, not doing anything crazy. Same on calories, same on cardio, same on everything, all right? Like I'm not changing anything, I'm not doing anything extra. I'm just letting things go the way I've been planning, or I've been doing for like the past few days. So or like past few weeks, whatever. So anyways, I'll see you guys at the gym, all right? I'm at the gym now. It's the last working day of the 6-week challenge. Jackie's a little bit late, so he's gonna come like after a few minutes, he said. Normally I'm supposed to be doing delt flies. Well, I'm still gonna be doing them, but instead of using dumbbells, I'm just gonna be doing it on the machine, the cable, the reverse cable thing. Not the cable thing, the reversed fly machine, right? The reason is that because Jack is gonna be cheating all the way through, and I just cannot. So that's the reason why I'm gonna be doing it on the fly machine, right? I'm gonna just make him sit there and then do it properly there, all right? It's gonna be a lot easier for me, and yeah, I'll see you guys on workout, yeah? All right, so the last working day is over. I'm gonna talk to you guys at recap, all right? Hey guys, so it is recap time. Today is day 41. It was the last workout day of the whole 6-week challenge. So although the challenge is technically not over, okay? So far I've lost 8 kilos exactly to the point. Tomorrow we'll see how the weight changes. Technically it should be even like lower, so it's gonna be above 8 kilos. So 8 kilos is 17 point, well, almost 18 pounds. Okay, so in 6 weeks we lost 18 pounds, which is like crazy. Okay, just, well, I recorded the whole thing, so you know it is doable. I've done it once on my 6-month transformation video. You've seen me do it. Some people had doubts. Some people were didn't think that it was possible. It's quite possible. And just to show you the whole process and also to be able to help you and teach you, well, you've seen how it goes basically. All right, so anyways, I'm not gonna keep this too long because tomorrow is recap, and during recap I can talk to you more, and also it's the last day, literally tomorrow. So as for today, calories are still 2500, cardio is still same. We are not changing anything. Just because we are like almost over and I actually achieve what I achieved doesn't mean that I'm gonna start slacking basically. All right, so I'm still doing everything as I've done previously. All right, and also for tomorrow I'm gonna be doing intermittent fasting, same as usual. Okay, because it is still technically the last day. But I might, I don't know, depending on my mood, like I might do a little bit less cardio and stuff, because we added like additional cardio. So maybe tomorrow I may not do it just because of the fact that I actually don't need it. But we'll see. I might just end up doing it anyways. All right, it's not a big deal. I mean, like it's like 30 minutes of walking. Like it's no biggie. So yeah, that is it for today, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Okay, it'll be a longer video tomorrow. So thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. All right.